Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to make money using Wetransfer. First of all, what is Wetransfer? Wetransfer is a popular file sharing service that allows users to easily send large files up to 2 GB for free users to others via email or a unique link. It is known for its simplicity and user-friendly interface, making it a popular choice for sharing photos, videos, and other large files. How can someone make money with Wetransfer? Directly making money through the standard Wetransfer service is limited. Wetransfer primarily generates revenue through 1. Wetransfer Pro. This paid subscription service offers increased storage limits, password protection, and other premium features. Advertising. Wetransfer displays visually appealing ads to users, which contributes to their revenue stream. Freelance and creative services. If you're a freelancer, graphics designer, photographer, videographer, etc., you can use Wetransfer to easily share your work with clients. This can help you build trust and streamline your workflow, leading to more projects and increased income. If you have a strong online presence or a niche audience, you could potentially partner with Wetransfer for sponsored content or promotions. These are indirect ways to leverage Wetransfer for potential income. Wetransfer's primary revenue model focuses on its premium services and advertising. While not a direct money-making platform itself, Wetransfer can be a valuable tool for freelancers and creatives, helping them streamline their workflow and potentially attract more clients. I hope you found this video helpful on how to use Wetransfer to make money. If you did, like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching.